is he flying like that? Oh, fuck. Yo, that door's open, I believe. I think that shit's got rabies, dude. Look how it's flying. Yo, that bird's on. I feel like he's about to attack us for real. What the fuck? Yo, can we get. Bro, look at this. Hold on. This house is huge. Roach. Be careful on these floors. Oh my god. Yo. Look at the baby doll.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no.
Chill out. Chill the fuck out, Ellie. Oh. Look down this. Oh, dude, these floors are sketch as fuck. No, actually, they're not that bad. Yeah. Thank God that's not a real pineapple. Bro. Yo, come here. This house is so big, it's ridiculous. We have a radio. Oh, the whole floor is like creaking. That's like a whole safe in there. I'm right here, bro. Be careful, like this is sketch, bro. It's so big, I don't even know what to go to for it. Bro, we have to go down here.
Is this the basement?
Yes. Oh my god, dude. Oh, the bottom of the steps are right there.
People have been discovering this bitch.
Oh yeah, this place is discovered. So this is what it's like to have money, huh? It's like a little bar down here. Oh, hell no. It's a bar. Look.
There's a swastika on the wall.
No way. Bro, these people got money for real, for real. Pool table. I think it's time to get out of this room. Imagine this when it was like right though.
Bro, she was badass, dude.
Bathroom. Whose house has a stall like that? Is this a restaurant?
Oh my god.
Nice. It's Elliot's fault too. Oh, these things are creaking, dude. Yes, we need to go back upstairs. A legit like skate, like ice skate. Hey, before we go up the steps, let's clear this section out.
Bro, I told y'all I left my phone.
Sorry if y'all can hear me breathing, but like, I'm tired.
I told you I left my phone, bro.
Oh my god. Hold on, bro. This bathroom looked too nice. Oh, bro. Look how wide this toilet is. Somebody was fat as hell. Bro. This is where it's at.
I know they got secret rooms in here. What's my box spring doing here? Huh? A box spring for my bed.
Yo, look at this floor, bro. We're upstairs too. I'm gonna go straight through every floor. This carpet though.
Did you do that too, Alex?
What?
Stepped on that bed? I thought that was just a regular fucking step down.
Oh, look, it goes down in the basement right here too.
Really?
Yeah. Bro, this house is crazy, bro. Another bathroom.
$3,000.
$3,000 check from 1972.
1972. That was a lot of fucking money in 1972.
What's the other one?
$3.
Put those in your pocket. Okay, so it's just me. So it's just me, right? Because I don't feel good, but if y'all ain't feeling nothing, I guess we're good. We already been in here. Haven't we?
Do you like taste sugar too, Alex?
No. We still got another floor to cover, don't we?
Mm-hmm. They're close to some call.
Big ass closet.
What the fuck?
Did you hear that?
It's a converted, bro. I swear to God. It is the bird, bro. That thing is fucked.
Down to the basement again, I'm guessing.
Bro, what if it's like...
Yeah, that shit like somebody living in this motherfucker.
I know all these mattresses on the floor.
Oh, look at that window. And that room was shut.
Ooh, somebody lit this toilet up.
Yeah, I bet... It's not even really that moldy in this place, to be honest.
Yeah, it's not.
Alright, I'm guessing this. Yo, this is the attic, and this might be the best part.
How old is it? Who was abandoned in like 1970s?
Yeah, I was expecting...
Oh, God, I don't like the way this wood feels.
I'm watching that shit buckle over you, dog.
Is it bad?
Yes.
Oh, shit. That motherfucker doesn't know.
Fuck y'all, dude.
What's up there?
Oh, you might want to come. Ugh,
One at a time, dog.
that baby.
You know what I'm saying?
What the fuck's special about this?
It's cool.
It's empty.
So,
Oh,
people,
hell no.
I know, bro. That's what I pointed at. People were living up here, dude. There's little mattresses everywhere. People got money, boy. Said these people. Ugh, it's wet in there. Right where I could have put my arms. Yo, that junk is mint.
What the fuck is that?
I don't want to know.
What?
I know that dress is nice though. Ugh, dude, it's red.
And that was tied on there for a purpose.
We got to do it for the video, Elliot.
These could be like some mothball type shit. Hold on.
Let's open it and see. Fucking hot pocket pizza things. It's pizza rolls.
Bro, some kind of leaves, bro.
It's leaves. Rip that shit apart, bro.
Bro, it's leaves.
Is it really? There might be something inside the leaves.
Must be some shit back in the day.
I don't know.
It's probably just something that had like a mothball type deal.
That's nice. This is the front door.
Damn, I thought we were on the second floor.
I thought we were too. What did this place sell for in 2006? 600,000? 600 something thousand. I'll leave a link to the thing in the description.
This was 2000.
This house was built in the 50s. It was built in like 51, so. What is this? Oh, those are tampons. Okay. Yep. Dude, that's gotta be old. I ain't even ever seen that in stores before. Hold on, what are these stairs right here? Oh, yellow carpet. I don't know. I ain't seen them stairs yet. I guess there's just more stairs going up. Oh, this is an office. This is where that rich man would sit. The office got a window, bro. Cool. I haven't seen these stairs yet, but I feel like it's some stairs we looked at when we was up here.
No.
Let's see. This is where I walked past and said I didn't feel good at. Oh shit, yeah.
Look at the size of that ant.
Bruh. Don't kill it, bro. It's like a little playhouse or something. Yeah, it's just, look at that spider web. That is a big centipede.
There's two of them.
It was two of them?
Mm-hmm.
Holy crap, dude.
Light it up.
One last little piece of the house. Okay, that just goes inside. Not the whole thing, just this part. This goes inside as well. Bird's nest, maybe? Oh, the trail was broke? Oh, yeah, because it ain't even that rotten. It's so grown up out here, too. Get a fence. Huh? I had to leave a bunch of stuff. Like a tunnel. I don't know if y'all can see the sky, but it's real pretty. So this is an overview of the house. And that's pretty much the whole thing. The fuck is this? Inside of a torque converter?
That's how you know it's been recent.
Oh, there's a COVID mask back here.
Yep.
Has been recent. Alright, that's pretty much everything. Peace out. Stay tuned for more.